FHS is the Southeast's leading provider in overhead cranes, hoists, storage rack, and conveyor systems.
FHS is a full-line material handling company.
Provide solutions for lifting, for transporting, for storage, several different product lines. The overhead hoist and crane market.
Conveyor systems, storage rack.
Project management and engineering, our sales staff, docks and doors.
If you have a product that you need to move through a facility, FHS can take care of you.
Founded in 1994 by Todd Wall and Joe DeCesare, FHS opened its doors with the desire to become the best crane and hoist company in the industry. But as the company grew, and through listening to the needs of its customer base, FHS expanded its divisions to provide a more comprehensive offering of services.
Basically, when we were doing overhead crane work for them, they would ask us if we could fix their doors, or fix their fall restraint systems, or provide them racking. And so it just evolved.
Each one of these items are kind of unique in their own way, and that's part of the reason that we separate them out. Plus, we can track how they're doing. We can focus certain people to be experts in each one of those divisions rather than just being a hodgepodge of one big conglomerate that tries to handle everything.
The unique part of FHS is the fact that the structure of the company is that we really want to be a one-stop shop.
We can truly solve a multitude of issues for them through one company that has the expertise and the know-how to do that.
Hiring the most experienced long-term technical professionals and specialists is paramount to the success at FHS.
We've got trained technicians that they've been in the crane business for many years. They're knowledgeable. So when they go out on a job site, they're able to diagnose problems or issues quicker than an average tech. So customers notice that.
The people that work for us, they're like family. You can't help but grow close and to care about them, to know each one and each one of their family members.
We all love each other and have a great time working with each other, and it's just a joy. You don't find that in a lot of places.
When equipment is down for a customer, FHS understands the priority and minimizes response time by stocking essential parts in-house and on service trucks.
Try to stock as much as $30,000 plus on each truck, so that when we do go to your facility, we are able to fix your problem 75% of the time. And if we're not able to fix that problem, we're going to get it done the next day because of our parts that we have in stock.
The main thing is downtime for customers. We deal with a lot of production facilities and they cannot afford downtime. So it benefits the customer, it benefits FHS to have it on their stock. Cuts down on time having to go get things. It just helps everyone out in the long run.
Because safety is foremost in our industry, FHS created a safety training division to enable customers to not only meet, but exceed their regulatory requirements.
We started another division, Safety Solutions and Supply. We've branched out into Louisiana, have an outside training center where we bring other subcontractors in that have the same needs that we do as far as working in companies like Mosaic and Publix and all your big power plants. They all desire a certain safety rating that you have to have, and they also desire and need a certain safety group of training, OSHA training and on-site training that is required for you to even do work in their place.
FHS is not only committed to providing the best material handling solutions in the industry, they are committed to world-class customer service and response.
At FHS, I've always preached from day one that nothing happens till something's sold. And for something to be sold, the customer has to have complete confidence in you and your service capabilities.
Since the inception of FHS Incorporated, we have put customer service and response at the forefront of what we do. We've position service technicians geographically throughout the Southeast to be convenient to customers and limit the amount of driving time and response time to them.
We have a very quick response time. I don't think there's anybody in the state that can respond quicker to a call because of the number of people we have. I think we have a 2-hour response time for anything that's service related anywhere in the state of Florida. Our customers, if their cranes are down, it can cost them thousands of dollars daily.
We've endeavored to become as broad-based customer service-wise and as responsive as any company in the nation has.
To meet the needs of an expanding customer base, FHS is growing, currently serving 7 Southeast states with more than 42 service technicians. FHS has set a goal to be in 11 states within the next few years.
We would love to be able to grow for the entire United States. The difficulty and what holds us back in that growth on purpose is the fact that the folks that will become FHS technicians are difficult to find. So we are going to grow at a controlled pace based on quality representation and at keeping a high level of service, a high level of value to our customers.
FHS continues to invest in exceeding customer expectations through their highly qualified technicians, engineers, and sales teams to provide the most comprehensive material handling solutions in the industry.
By setting up these different divisions to handle pretty much anything in a distribution or manufacturing environment, we're poised to basically go and do anything that the customer needs.
Our ultimate goal is to be the best supplier of material handling solutions that's available.
When you think of FHS, I want you to think of what an incredible experience it is, and you'll know that you're going to get taken care of. You're going to get the best possible price and the best possible service technicians that you can get in our industry. That's what I mean by being the best.